A man who was mistaken for suspected abductor Davian Bryan has died after being attacked by residents in Landui, St. Thomas this morning. The incident happened sometime before 8 o'clock. The police report that the man, who residents say is unknown to the area, was stopped in the community. Residents raised an alarm and he was chased. The man ran across the Yalas River into bushes where he was pursued and attacked. Head of the St. Thomas Division, Superintendent Alison Byfield, confirmed that residents attacked and killed an innocent man who they believe to be Bryan.
About 7:30 a.m. this morning, the police responded to reports of a injured man in the Carriers Road area of Landui. The police proceeded to the scene and they saw an injured man laying on the ground on his back in a pants, a blue jeans only, no shirt. The police called for assistance and the man was placed in a service vehicle and rushed to the Princess Margaret Hospital where he was pronounced dead. We are not sure of the identity of this person. There's an identification card floating around. We are examining it and we are trying to contact persons who can identify this person.
At this time, after listening to the police and listening to the residents of the area, there is no knowledge or indication of the cause. From mistaken identity to whatever it is, it's a criminal act that has taken place. A man is dead. He is not known or not well known to the community because my checks are with individuals who know everybody here. So this is just one more death, one more crime that the police have to solve. I am begging the residents of St. Thomas and other communities, do not take the law into your hands. Two wrongs will not make a right.